Common reed, which is native to Eurasia. There's not a lot of information about how it arrived into North America, but it's here. And it lives in wetlands and beaches. It establishes itself into monocultures along drainage channels. They grow in very dense stands, so there can be up to 200 stems per square meter, and they grow really high, so they can grow up to 5 meters high. The stems can be brown, red, or beige, and their pericarps are very large and dense. The common reed grows and spreads very quickly, and it reduces availability for nutrients and water for a lot of wildlife, which reduces plant biodiversity, and it also crowds out, eradicates native plants. The stems can be very dry, which increases risks of fires and it has a huge impact on agriculture, recreational activities, and sport fishing. The common reed can also release substances that can be toxic for other plants. In order to prevent and control the spread, avoiding the purchase or planting of the invasive common reed, stay on marked trails, and also to keep pets on leashes. Don't put them in the compost, and also to clean equipment or clothes after visiting an area that had the common reed present. The common reed transpires at a higher rate than the native plants also. So
I'm just wondering what the reason is for staying on marked trails and cleaning equipment and clothes. Is it that the seeds are very mobile or what?
Yeah, the seeds are really mobile, and you can have the seeds over your clothes and spread the plant in other parts. Another use is sometimes people can take the plants with the seeds as a decoration inside decorations, or they have some use for aesthetics purpose. But it's an error, because the seeds are very easy to spread, and we don't. It's not recommended to do that. But I know many people use it for decorations, for inside the house, or other use like that, and it's not a good practice.
Do you know of places locally that it grows?
Yeah, in Outaouais, it's at some place it's a real problem. We have some invasions, just by example, at Lake Beauchamp, Lake Blue Sea Lake. I don't remember another lake north of Blue Sea, and at some place it can be a real problem, because it began slowly, but spread very quickly after, and it's really difficult to control it. We can use burlaps, but for couple years, because the roots can live up to 5 years under the burlap, and if you have to use a carpet from caoutchouc carpet, very hard one, because the the spin of the plant, when they begin to grow, are really pointy.
pointy.
Pointy, yeah, right.
Pointy, okay.
Okay,
And
they'll break through things.
it can traverse cross the carpet very easily. You have to use a very
Something.
solid caoutchouc carpet to control it. That's a problem. It's really hard to control.
Is this the plant that you see sometimes, like along the Highway 40 and 417? Going east, there's ditches with big grasses in them like this. Is that
exactly
same stuff?
exactly.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, when you go to Montreal by Highway 40 or
Yeah,
by Highway 17, you can
Yeah.
see all the ditches around the highway is full of that
yeah,
way.
okay, right,
Yeah,
yeah,
It's quite new. 25 years ago, it was almost absent of the area.
right, yeah,
And it spread really fast. It's the same plant the southern population used to build roof, the
roof, yeah,
roof
yeah,
of pergolas or in the beaches. We use that plant for the roof, but it's not possible to do it here. But
right,
it is the same species
uh-huh,
in Peru. That it is with that species we people in Lake Titicaca
oh,
use
yeah,
to build boats.
right,
It's it's the same plant.
uh-huh, hmm,